A 12-member jury, Navarro, Trump supporters of January 6, 2021 rebellion and Republican Trump's wider attempts investigate Democratic-led House panel after refusing testify or transfer them to condemned reversed the defeat of election. 2020. Navarro, a hawk on Chinese policy on COVID-19 mission force, who advised Trump during his presidency and served in COVID-19 mission force, became second close partner of Trump for blaming committee. He was found guilty for challenging a court and was sentenced to 4 months in prison. Navarro said that he did not have to comply with the court subpoena before the hearing, because Trump called on some executive branch records and a legal doctrine who communicated without explanation. However, U.S. Regional Judge Amit Mehta decided Navarro could not use it as a defense and found defendant did not offer evidence Trump officially called privilege of executing in response to court subpoena. He was left to claim it could be Navarro wearing a dark suit and red tie. The decision was read aloud following the decision of about 5 hours of jury negotiations did not show a visible reaction. Navarro, Judge Mehtanen in this case decided that I cannot use the privilege of manager as a defense. The mold was thrown. Said. Fees carry at least 30 days and up to 1 year in prison. Navarro said he did not call Trump as a witness because 2024 Republican presidential candidacy was the front-runner of presidential candidacy. The decision in federal court in Washington watched hearing with only 1-day testimony from 3 prosecution witnesses. Former staff of Assembly Committee 13 under the direction of former U.S. President Donald Trump. White House economy advisor Peter Navarro speaks with reporters outside the federal palace of E. Barrett Prettyman in Washington. Washington. Julia Nickinson acquires license rights. Federal prosecutor Elizabeth Alloy, during early hours of closing arguments on Thursday, told jury members the defendant Trump of former President Trump chose commitment to conformity of court Selke. This humiliating. Not ending with a long shot. Navarro's lawyers. After decision, jury members were allowed outside court for a break and protesters were allegedly angry with Capitol rebellion allegedly called. Navarro's lawyer John Rowley told journalists that the case constitutes important legal issues to be decided on the appeal. This case is not over with a long shot, Rowley said. The decision represented a victory for Ministry of Justice and current election committee. And when Republicans seized control of Assembly in January, they acted aggressively to witness Trump advisors before they disintegrated. Most committees of committee were reflected in a federal indictment by Special Advisor Jack Smith, who accused Trump trying to disrupt election results. The panel tried to interview Navarro about a plan called Green Bay Sweep to delay the Congress. Democratic President Joe Biden's 2020